Kung naghahanap ka ng investment na hindi mo na kailangan bantayan, this property is for you. Property na malapit sa Manila via Cavite Expressway. Property po na malapit sa Central Business District, malapit sa mga hospitals, commercial areas, schools, at malapit sa SM General Trias. A property that is near Calax or Cavite Laguna Expressway, wherein hindi na kayo mahihirapan sa biyahe papunta ng North Luzon or South Luzon. Malapit po tayo sa ginagawang Bataan, Cavite Link. Papunta po ng Bataan ay maiksi na lang ang biyahe. From 6 hours ay magiging 1.5 to 2 hours na lang. Ngayon, ipapakilala ko po sa inyo one of the prominent projects here in Cavite, Westwind at Lancaster, New City. I will present to you one of the best property po located and situated in a prime location dito po sa Lancaster, New City. If you're familiar po with River Park, project of Federal Land, sister company of Metrobank, ito po ay malapit sa pinagtatayuan ng property po na ipepresent ko sa inyo today. Yan po ay si Westwind at Lancaster, New City. Here at Westwind, we have choices of studio type, 1BR and 2BR units. Tara po, samahan mo ako sa pag-tour dito. Great day, my dear fellow investor. Again, this is Jack Sapor Santos, the Millennial Property Investor. This is the second part of our vlog of Westwind at Lancaster, New City. Interesado ka ba sa property na maganda ang location and malapit sa lahat? Tamang-tama, this property is fit for your family needs. With a total area of 36 square meters, ito po ay isa sa spacious, malaki, at very affordable po na 2BR condo dito sa Cavite. Available through bank financing or Pag-ibig financing. Payable for 20 years up to 30 years. Kaya po, magaan hulog. This is the specification of our 2BR unit. Pagpasok po natin, at your right side would be your kitchen. This is very spacious po kung makikita nyo. Malawak, malaki ang ating pong kitchen area. Kung mahilig po kayong magluto, ay pwedeng-pwede po ito sa inyo. Malawak po or maluwag ang inyong gagalawan kapag kayo ay nagluluto. We have the overhead cabinets here. We have the refrigerator po. Marble po yung kanyang kitchen top. Then, at your left side naman po, pagpasok is your toilet and bath. Kompleto na rin po yan. Toilet fixtures. We have the lavatory, faucet, toilet bowl. We have the cabinets and also have the shower. We have provision also for water heater. Yung pinapakita ko po sa inyong unit is a dressed up unit wherein pwede nyo po itong gayahin sa 2BR unit po na i-reserve at i-avail po ninyo. Sa likod ko po, makikita nyo ang ating dining area. It's very elegant. Made of glass. Very minimalist po ang design na ito. And then, at my back po, this could be your living area. L-shaped type po ng sofa is okay. Then, we have here po painting para mas maging elegant siya tignan. And at the back of the painting, we have the lights or the lighting. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo po, napakaganda niya po sa mata, hindi siya eyesore. We have here the accent wall. Pwede nyo pong ilagyan ng inyong TV. Some of our clients po, they will be putting here cabinets. Yan, pwede po. Maybe shoe rack, pwede rin po. Then nga po pala, dito po sa ilalim, kung mapapansin nyo po, we have here the automatic washing machine. Paglabas po ng inyong damit ay tuyo na, maganda po yung automatic washing machine. Then, you can see, malawak po yung aking ginagalawan. It is a 36 square meters unit with 2 bedrooms. So, dito po tayo sa first bedroom. As you can see, yan, napaka-lawak po ng ating first bedroom. If you have 2 children or 3 children, they can have this bedroom po. If may mga kids po kayo, yan, pwede po kayo maglagay ng bunk bed sa taas and sa baba, pwedeng bed din po. Then dito po sa design na ito, kung mapapansin nyo, sa ilalim po nilagay yung ating study table. So usually ang ating mga anak nag-aaral ng online, pwede po sila dito sa baba. Then you also have here the cabinet. And lastly po, punta naman tayo sa master bedroom. This would be your master bedroom. Dito po kasya ang hanggang queen size bed. Sa king size bed po, pwede ang orientation niya ay vertical. Ito po kasi horizontal yung orientation niya. Then you can have here your study table, your office table, kung kayo po ay working online or work from home. Then you also have here books, shelves. Upon turnover po ng unit na ito, may kasama na po ito or provision na po with aircon. So hindi nyo na po kailangan magbutas ng concrete. Naka-ready na po yung paglalagyan nyo ng aircon. Pwede rin naman po kung gusto nyo ng split type. Dito nyo po ilalagay or here, it's up to you po. But both of them will do. At my right side po, this could be your another table. Mga gamit nyo po, pwede nyo ilagay. Picture frame of your family. The awards. And kita nyo po, may salamin dito para magmukhang mas malawak yung ating unit. And dito po, sa side na ito, you have extra space wherein you can put your wardrobe or your closet. So if you are interested na mag-invest and mag-avail po ng 2BR unit ng Westwind at Lancaster New City, you can message us in our Facebook page, Millennial Property Investor. And we also have other social media platforms. We have account on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, kung saan po pwede kayo magpa-schedule ng viewing or tripping para makita nyo po personally ang 2BR unit na ito. If you are working abroad, locally sa Pilipinas, investor or businessman, this property is for you. Kung naghahanap ka ng investment na hindi mo na kailangan bantayan, tumataas ang value at pwede nyo pong parentahan or paupahan, maganda po itong investment para sa iyo. If nakarating ka po sa part ng video na ito, thank you so much for joining us. And kung meron po kayong mga tanong, don't hesitate to message us para po masagot natin ang inyong concern. Again, this is Jexa Por Santos, the Millennial Property Investor, your real estate guide since 2014. Thank you po and God bless.